Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the future of cryptocurrency. As many of you may know, cryptocurrency has been a hot topic in the past few years, and its popularity continues to grow. In this video, we will be talking about expert insights and predictions on the future of cryptocurrency. Part 1. The current state of cryptocurrency. Before we dive into the future of cryptocurrency, let's take a look at its current state. As of now, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, with a market cap of over $1 trillion. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. The overall market cap of all cryptocurrencies is around $2.5 trillion. Cryptocurrency has gained popularity due to its decentralized nature, allowing for faster and more secure transactions. It has also gained attention due to its potential as an investment. However, there are concerns around the volatility of cryptocurrency, as its value can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time. Part 2. Expert insights on the future of cryptocurrency. Now let's dive into expert insights on the future of cryptocurrency. 1. Adoption of cryptocurrency. One of the key predictions for the future of cryptocurrency is its increased adoption. As more businesses and individuals become familiar with cryptocurrency and its benefits, its usage is expected to increase. We may see more businesses accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment, and more individuals investing in it. 2. The rise of altcoins. While Bitcoin is currently the most popular cryptocurrency, there is potential for other cryptocurrencies to gain more traction in the future. Experts predict that altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, will rise in popularity as they offer different features and benefits compared to Bitcoin. 3. Government regulations. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, there will likely be more government regulations put in place. This could potentially affect the usage and value of cryptocurrency. However, experts predict that regulations will ultimately benefit cryptocurrency by providing more stability and legitimacy. 4. Integration with traditional finance. Cryptocurrency has the potential to disrupt traditional finance by providing faster and more secure transactions. Experts predict that we may see more integration between cryptocurrency and traditional finance in the future, such as the integration of cryptocurrency wallets into traditional banking apps. Part 3. Predictions on the future of Bitcoin. Now let's focus on predictions specifically related to Bitcoin. 1. Increased value. Many experts predict that the value of Bitcoin will continue to increase in the future. This is due to its limited supply and increasing demand. 2. Mainstream adoption. As Bitcoin becomes more popular and widely accepted, it may become a more mainstream form of payment. This could potentially increase its value even further. 3. Environmental concerns. One concern related to Bitcoin is its environmental impact. The process of mining Bitcoin requires a significant amount of energy, which has raised concerns about its carbon footprint. Experts predict that Bitcoin may need to become more energy efficient in the future to address these concerns. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of cryptocurrency is bright. With increased adoption, the rise of altcoins, and potential integration with traditional finance, cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct transactions. While there are concerns around its volatility and environmental impact, experts predict that cryptocurrency will continue to gain popularity and value in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the future of cryptocurrency. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.